Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Yeah. Welcome back, you guys. Hey, before we get started with this video, I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for being here. But aside from that, before we get going with this video, I just want to say that, first of all, thanks to each and every one of you for stopping by on our channel and watching our videos. Give us a like if you take anything away from our content. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll get updates anytime we come out with new, important, breaking content, all that good stuff. But hey, we've been talking a lot about getting unemployment benefits on the channel and how you can make money while all of this pandemic is going on. With the sickness and all that craziness, which is it's important stuff because it's a real need of all rideshare drivers out there to make sure that they have income so that they can pay their bills, because who knows how this is going to go. Some states are reopening, others are not, and it's just kind of all over the place, all across the country. That aside, I just want to take a moment to say I sincerely hope that you, your family, are staying happy and healthy and doing well, because I know a lot of people that have either lost family members due to this or are in situations where they have people, you know, like grandparents that are in homes that they can't see because they're quarantined, or people who are sick that are stuck in the hospital that are quarantined. You know, that's the stuff that's really sad about all this. And so I just want to take a moment and say send in all the positive, good vibes to you, your family, your loved ones, and most importantly, I hope we all make it to the other side of this happy and healthy. All right, that being said, today I want to cover a great app, and we've talked about it on the channel, but I want to talk about it in detail because honestly, I've been using it. I think it is the most important app that I have for rideshare and other gig economy jobs. And that app is Gridwise, right? Awesome app. So let's talk a little bit more in depth about it. First of all, if you want to use the app, there's a link in the video description below. All you got to do, go to the video description, click the link, download the app on your phone, and you can start to use all of these great benefits. Totally free, by the way. So the first thing about Gridwise is it is a one-stop shop for all of your gig economy jobs. Uber, Lyft, Caviar, Shipt, Amazon Flex, Instacart, Grubhub, DoorDash, Postmates, Wings, and Taxi. Honestly, I don't even know what Wings and Taxi are. I have no idea, but that makes me want some wings. Pretty hungry. I'm always pretty hungry. Even though I'm skinny, I eat a lot. Believe me, I don't know where it goes. It's a weird thing. It's weird. It just evaporates. Crazy. So anyway, you're able to, all of the accounts that you use that I listed off, you go through, when you download the app, you can select all of those. And furthermore, with Lyft and Uber, you can put in like Uber Black or, you know, XL. You can specify on any of those that you drive for. And so then you're able to put all those accounts on there. And what does that do for you? Well, you can track, so you link all those accounts to Gridwise, and then when you're earning money on those accounts, all of that information goes into Gridwise, and it breaks it down so you can easily see all of your different earnings and how much time you've worked. And great perk, you can track your miles. So it'll track your miles. You can classify those rides for, you know, what. Oh, there's a fly in here driving me crazy. You can classify all those miles, and come tax time, you're able to export that information, see how many miles that you drove, and yeah, And that's one of our biggest write-offs, our miles, right? So, I always do this. 52, I think it's 52 cents a gallon. Or not a gallon, 52 cents a mile that we get as a tax write-off. Could be 58. I honestly always forget. It's stupid. I'm going to look it up after this. You don't even have to tell me. It's fine. I know it's one of them. Regardless, that's a huge write-off for gig economy workers. So, again, you're able to see all of those earnings in one place on Gridwise. And this is way cool. Less cool, well, no, it's really important actually. You are able to, let's talk about this. It asks you what your schedule strategy is. So, do you like to work events? Do you like to do airport rides? Do you drive when there's surges, or you just drive for convenience? It tries to get to know your driving habits, and that way you're able to set alerts and reminders for, let's say if you drive events, you can put any of the football games. Hopefully there's NFL football games, college football games. Fingers crossed. But if let's say there's a stadium in your area, you can get an alert anytime or a reminder about that event coming up. Way cool. Also, with the airport, I love this. I really love this. Really appreciate it. It shows you your local airport and the flight information, incoming flights. You can set reminders or alerts with that. Show me when, I don't even know, Southwest flights are coming in. So that's really cool. It shows you the weather in there. What else does it do? Oh yeah, so, right? Calculates all of your earnings. You can see that in there. It calculates your taxes for you. So you can see your tax breakdown of what you would have to pay. That's kind of it's good, but I think QuickBooks Self-Employed is better for that because you can also track your deductions in there as well. So that's good. It's good, it's not great. You can export that tax report to your email. So it's good to have all that information. What else do I want to say about Gridwise? They are a big proponent of gig economy workers. They have great articles. They put out we come out with great videos. They're coming out with, also on the same timeline as us, coming out with very relevant articles. They do a great job. They're pro drivers, pro gig economy workers. So this app is all about catering to gig economy workers. But personally, I love to use it because I just have all of the information from all of my different apps in one place. So I don't have to go pull up Uber, see how much I made, pull up Lyft, see how much I made. You can just see it all in one place. Track those miles. Awesome. See events, even though there's no events going on right now. There will be one day, again, I think. I hope. Please be events again. Shows you surging. It's awesome. Good stuff. Anyway, I'm a huge proponent of Gridwise. Check it out. Again, link in the video description below if you want to download it. And I tell you what, if you do use it, let us know your thoughts on Gridwise and your experience with it. And if you also let us know if you think there's anything that's missing from it. I think it does a pretty good job of covering all the bases. Anyway, all right, enough about it. Just wanted to throw it out there. I think it's a great tool for all rideshare drivers, so I wanted to talk on it a little bit more. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, you guys, stay safe out there.